Okay, so this is a video about how to use the Haden Toaster Oven. We just plugged it in, and as you can see, this LCD screen lights up. So if we zoom in on the LCD screen, you will see all the different functions that are available to you. Starting at the top, you have toast, bagel, pizza, bake, broil, cookies, roast, warm, defrost, reheat. To move the arrow function up and down, you move this top dial, this top knob to the right. So by doing that, you're moving the arrow down, and then it starts back up. So what's nice about this toaster oven is that when you have the icon, the arrow icon, next to the function that you want, it kind of gives you a default setting, a recommended time to operate in that setting. So for example, on the toast setting, it recommends 2 minutes. If you would like to have darker toast, all you have to do is you move this bottom dial right here to the right. And if we zoom in on this LCD screen, you'll see that as you move this to the right, we get closer and closer to dark bread. And that's just controlling the time. And that would be the same thing for the bagel function. You know, if you want your bagel toasted a little bit darker, just move this dial, this bottom dial, all the way to the right. Some of these less basic functions have a little bit more options for you. So, for example, if you hover over the pizza, you're able to engage with the air fry function. So all that means is when you're hovering over pizza, the default are these settings right here. The default is to engage the air fry operation, which blows hot air. Another default is 400 degrees. Another default for pizza is 16 minutes. If you don't want the air fry function, no problem. Just click that button and it'll be just a traditional heat mechanism to heat up your pizza. Now what's cool about this, these two settings is you can disregard the default. So for example, if you want to cook your pizza at a lower temperature, you just go ahead and move this dial, this bottom dial, to the left. You can see that it's controlling the temperature. If you want a higher temperature, just move it to the right. Now, if you want to control the time that your pizza is being cooked, you keep using this dial, but first you got to switch it to time. So you press on it, and as you can see, it's now controlling the time. So if you want less time, move the dial to the left. If you want more time, move the dial to the right. When you are satisfied with the settings that you've input, go ahead and press start, and it'll start working. If you need to pause it, go ahead and press pause. And if you kind of want to cancel this altogether, push cancel. You press cancel by holding down on this knob until everything resets. You don't have to turn it off, quote unquote. Once it's been canceled, this LCD screen will go dark after a few minutes. One last thing to note about the air fry function, if you are if you're wanting to cook something that's not listed here, like French fries, for example, and you just want to air fry your French fries for 5 minutes, go ahead and select the bake function. Make sure that air fry is lit up, which it automatically will be, and then do what we did before, which is control the temperature that you want your French fries air fried at. So you can move it all the way up to 400 degrees. I think the max for air fry is 450. There we go. And if you want to control the time that it's being air fried, go ahead and press that button. Sorry, we're pressing that button again because now we're controlling the time. And we can scroll back down to 15 minutes or whatever we think is right. Then when you're ready, press start. And now you're baking your French fries, but you're actually air frying them because we're also engaging the air fry function. If you're starting to see that they're cooking well, go ahead and press pause because you don't need to use it anymore. Take your French fries out. If you feel like canceling to restart the system, just go ahead and hold that down. And again, just go ahead and let the LCD screen go dark. And so that's essentially the way to turn it off, is just to let this screen go dark. If you have any other questions, please contact our customer service representatives. We'll be happy to walk you through any of these settings if you need more instructions.